186 days. No food, no water, just the plants. Oh, it's raining. Perfect, perfect. Right. Let's get some peppers. Some Buena Mulata. And I'm going to go around the other side and pick this one a little bit more. It's got a lot more going. Let's turn him around. There we go. Look at these. Beautiful. And is there a jalapeno I can have with my eggs today? Is there one nice and big? Let's have a look. There we go, right in the middle. Beautiful. So we have Buena Mulatas and a jalapeno. You interested? I'll leave it there. See if you want some, okay? It's really nice. It's good stuff. Not sure, are you? Oh, perfect. Good boy. Happy Thursday, Lucy. Are you ready for your egg? Go on then, baby. Enjoy. Good afternoon, good evening, good night, everybody. Happy Thursday to you all. Thursday, 20th of August, 2026. And it is day 186 of the Chilli Grow Up. We had rain last night. We had rain this morning. Sun's out a bit at the moment, but I do predict more rain coming in. I don't know if it's these clouds or those clouds off in the distance. Who knows? But today, no food, no watering, because I've had plenty of it. They're all looking good. So, I don't know, a little ASMR. I'm going to try and wait for some rain, get underneath the umbrella and have a little look through these plants. It won't rain now I've suggested this, so but let's give it a try. Enough of me rambling, we'll check these plants over nice and quietly. Other than that, I hope you're doing well. I hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful week and a wonderful Thursday. Poor Lucy and Ted, they got caught out in that little storm this morning, so just towel dried them. They're drying off inside, having a snooze, so I thought leave them to it. All right, let's do this. Let's get into day 186. Armageddon. Carolina Reaper. Jalapeno. Sweet banana. Padrón. Zimbabwe. Buena Mulata. Scotch Bonnet MOA. Cayenne. Dreamcatcher. Cayenne. Poblano. Habanero. Zimbabwe. Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Small Cayenne. Habanero. Poblano. Padrón. Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. And another Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Ghost Pepper. Black Jalapeño. Buena Mulata. Black Jalapeno. Zimbabwe Black. Tabasco. Sugar Rush Peach Stripey. Dreamcatchers. Kashmiri Mirch. Armageddon. Scotch Bonnet MOA. Cayenne. Tabasco. Our little plants, a little Zimbabwe and our little ghost peppers. So yeah, it is raining, but like, just a bit of drizzle really, nothing to even make much noise on the umbrellas. So yeah, everything's looking alright. I know it's a bit of a plain, uneventful video, but they're all looking good. I can't really give them fertiliser right now because we don't want it to be washed out. So we'll do that tomorrow, again, weather permitting. But they're looking great. Everything's looking good. I think I'm going to pluck some black jalapenos for some food. And maybe a few Buena Mulatas if they're ready. But yeah, these black jalapenos are looking perfect. So that wraps up the day, everybody. I want to thank you all for joining us. Have yourselves a wonderful, wonderful Thursday, okay? You take care of yourselves. Make sure you look after me, myself and I. Because no one's going to throw you a lifeline if you're drowning. Have a great, great day. You take care. And we'll see you all tomorrow. See you Friday. Thank you.